Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to perform independent sample t-test in Excel and its interpretation. You can find more videos on SPSS, RStudio, Excel, econometrics, economics, and mathematical economics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin with the idea of independent sample t-test. Independent samples t-test is used to know whether the mean of two independent groups are statistically significantly different from each other or not. So here you can see I have two mutually exclusive or two independent groups, male students and female students, and their marks. Marks of male students in this column and marks of female students in this column. And I want to know whether the mean marks of male students is significantly different from female students. And therefore, we can use independent samples t-test. So now, what is the null hypothesis in this case? H naught is mu1 is equal to mu2. That is, there is no significant difference between male students and female students as far as marks is concerned. And alternative hypothesis says that we have the significant difference and therefore mu1 is not equal to mu2. Now let's see how to perform the test. You go to data. In data tab, you have the option of data analysis here, right hand side corner. If you click on data analysis, this dialog box will appear on your screen, and then you have the option of t-test, two sample assuming equal variances and two sample assuming unequal variances. So here we assume that variances are equal. So simply select this and click OK. Now what is variable 1 range? Marks of male students. Variable 2 range, marks of female students. Now we need to select labels because we have entered name of variables in the first row. So simply select label. Here you can see alpha is 0.05. Now in output options, click on output range and you select the cell. And simply click on OK. Now output is generated. So first we have the mean. Mean marks of male students is 59 and female students is 61. This is our T statistic, that is minus 0.4080. And associated p-value for two-tailed test is here. That is 0.6851. If you are performing one-tailed test, you can use p-value associated with one-tailed test. Now here if you see this p-value is greater than 0.05 and therefore we fail to reject H naught. Since we fail to reject the H naught, we conclude that there is no significant difference between male and female students as far as marks are concerned. So we don't have any significant difference in the mean of mean of marks of male students and mean of marks of female students. So this is how we perform the independent samples t-test in Excel. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.